Sir, I am Sai, working as a project management officer in construction sector since 7 years. Now I want to shift into IT for career growth. Please suggest in which area I have to prepare. Recently I have done CSM. See Sai, because you are coming from a construction background, okay, uh, you would have missed out on the skills, programming skills that are required, okay, to join the software industry. And there are so many software engineers coming out, so you're always going to compete with BE, BCA, BSc, BTech, MSc, MTech, all these people in computer science. You're going to compete with these people and engineering background freshers who switch to computer science right in the first year. Okay, so you are going to compete with all these people, and since you already have 7 years of experience, you'll always feel the problem of competition. Okay, so if you want to switch to IT field, okay, then you have to switch into roles like project management. So either you do a course in project management where you learn how to manage a project. Okay, so you can do a PMP certification, or you can do an agile scrum certification. Okay, that is one part of it. Since you are already as a PMO, project management officer, that is what I'm thinking. If you get into project management, then it will be easier for you to transition into an IT company. Okay, and what you should try to do is you should try to search for software companies which are in the field of construction sector. Okay, so any real estate sector, if there are companies which are building products which are related to construction, then you should focus on those companies only. Okay, or services companies where they will hire a construction somebody from construction into IT based on certain certifications. Okay, so one is your project management certification, you can try to do that. Another field you can get into is data science field, okay, which is also a very good field to get into. You can get into quality, okay, quality, which is testing and that side of it. You can get into robotic process automation, okay. You can get into any kind of audit related, process related fields, okay, where you don't have to do programming. Okay, so within IT, if you search for all the job roles and responsibility which does not require programming, okay, you can search for those jobs, roles, and responsibilities. And within those jobs, roles, and responsibilities, you check the job description and you check what kind of certifications they are looking for. Okay, and based on those certifications, you can get into an IT company. Okay, another very good place to get into IT company, because you are from construction background, is to get into asset management of these very large infrastructure companies, because large software companies. Just imagine Infosys has its own infrastructure management company. TCS will have its own infrastructure management company. Okay, there will be companies, because they have such a huge infrastructure that they have to manage this infrastructure, and somebody coming from a construction sector can easily fit into those places. Correct, so you can look into those kind of roles within these companies, where maybe the companies are not even putting out a job description, and you can directly talk to the HR, you can directly talk to somebody in that role. You can see on LinkedIn, find somebody who is managing the Infosys assets, or whatever those roles are, or is in construction related to Infosys. So that those fields you can get into, because there you can use your experience and be in an IT company. Okay, IT company also needs all the lot of different things which is not related to anywhere related to programming, and you can get into those things. within the IT company. Okay, I hope that helps you.